Wait a minute.
When we'll revise.
No. We will cover the other points also. Wait a minute. Okay. I'm presenting that PPT. It's such a long chapter. Okay. The chapter 14, organs of the government. In this, we were studying about legislature, executive, and judiciary. We have completed the legislature with Haika, the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, the organs of legislature assembly, their functions, their terms, qualification of the members of the people, and other things. So we have completed uh, till here. Now we are going to start the next is executive. Executive branch is the branch of a government where our main officers, if you can say, the member of administrative teams like president, prime minister, vice president, all these people come, and even the cabinet ministers also. Okay, all these people used to come. And what are their qualifications? What are their working? And what power they have in their hands? These all things we are going to study now. Okay. Uh, or we can add one more word to this whole branch of executive is authority. Like in your home, your father is your authority. पापा घर में अथॉरिटी होते हैं. पापा ने बोला है तो होगा. Like that. Okay. But we can't say that is similar like that क्योंकि पापा जो बोलते हैं we have to follow that. But in government form, the things are not going to be followed by that, but the authority have some powers there. राजा की तरह नहीं होते कि इसको मार दो इसको बचा लो, like that is not there, because we are living in a democratic country. Okay, so they are having responsibilities also, lots of responsibilities as well as the authority also. They also execute and enforces law. I was giving you the example of 370 that was removed from Kashmir. Okay, so I was also telling this on that day ki only the PM Modi and Mr. Ramesh Shah does not have the authority to remove that 370 from Kashmir. Even other cabinet ministers and other members of Rajya Sabha were also involved in that. Then it became happen. So we can't say कि हाँ इन्होंने अपने इनके मन में आया और इन्होंने कर दिया. Not like that. Okay, so there are the different things. Okay. Uh, the union of these types of officer executive members are first number one is president, number two is vice president, then council of ministers along with prime minister. Okay, so these all
Ma'am,
class
the screen
8.
is not shared.
This screen is not clear.
Ma'am, it is not
How
shared.
it
No,
is
ma'am,
not.
it is clear. I can see the screen.
Okay, I'm sharing it again. Wait a minute. Maybe you're not able to hear see that. I'm sharing it again. Now all of you can see the screen. Class 8,
Yes,
please
Yes,
reply.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So the all the executives में जो हम main topics पढ़ेंगे, we will study about president, vice president, council of ministers with prime minister. First, so starting from the president. President is also known as the first citizen of India. Okay, and he is also the head. He or she is also head of the state, head of the country. Also, you can say. ठीक है, and he is a part of union executive also. The union executive are there. Okay, president is more very powerful in our country. Clear? But each and every person who is sitting in an authority who has to take a big decision for a large number of people or a big amount of money, so that person will take a decision alone. Matlab, if suppose I
No,
and
ma'am.
you,
He needs the
anyone else
satisfaction of
there,
each and every cabinet
yes,
minister.
yes, that's the thing. Uh, I and you, anyone is there who is sitting on a place where he has to take some decisions for large amount of money or for uh, large number of people also. So that person is not able to take a decision alone, because we are human being and we all know that according to the nature of human being we know that कि हम कोई भी फैसला लेने से पहले 10 बार सोचते हैं. But if there are some people who are helping us and they're giving their ideas, no, this is wrong, this is right, it is not compulsory that always we are right. We may be wrong sometime. Are you getting me? We may be wrong sometime. So at that time, there should be some person who can give the right thought to us. So just like that, the executive is a chain of a person. Okay, is a chain of a person. So in that chain, there are so many persons are there. And whenever they have to take any decision regarding anything related to their country or country affairs, so these people sit together and then they talk up on that topic कि ऐसा करना चाहिए or not. Okay, so president is the head of that chain, but he also need advices from other people. So to give advice to president, the vice president, the prime minister, and the council of what do you call that ministers, cabinet ministers that we used to say are there. Okay, we can take the example now. The issue of China was there. So, alone president was not the head to take the decision. Okay, because when I will tell you the functions of president, then you will know that the president is the head of defense forces also. And I will explain it. So be there with your book if you have it, and if you, Yatharth, you have your book right now.
No, ma'am. I'll get it today.
Okay, no issues. If you don't have book, go and get it. Or I think Yatharth is out of his house. So agar he is not having the book, then he can listen us carefully. Okay. So the present president is Mr. Ramnath Kovind. He took us on 25th July 2017. Okay, you can see the 14th president's picture on your screen. Mr. Ramnath Kovind ji is the 14th president of India. Who's talking behind? This Pegasus Desh, please mute yourself, beta. Yatharth, you also. Again, the cameras are off. On your camera, come on.
My camera is
Okay.
on.
Okay, the elections of the president, how it happened, how it occur. Actually, the president is elected by the member of electoral college, consisting of the elected member of both of the houses of parliament. We have already studied about Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The member of these houses used to elect the president of India. Okay, of
Excuse
the
me, ma'am.
legislative assembly. Yes.
Ma'am, I have opened my camera, but it is not showing on the screen.
Okay, beta. Okay, I can understand. Some people are having problem of connectivity. Okay, the elected members of the Legislative Assembly of States and the Union Territories. अगर हम indirectly देखें, actually the election of president is indirect. Election of prime minister is indirect. Yesterday I told you about there are many types of election: by-election, direct election, indirect elections. So whenever the president, prime minister, president, and vice prime minister, whenever they are elected, so they are these elections are indirect election. कैसे indirect होते हैं? Actually, they are direct, but we can say because it is having another phase. That's why we can call that it's indirect election also. we elect the members of Lok Sabha from our area. Okay, the MLAs are there or whatever the peoples are there. These people used to represent our us in Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, in legislative assemblies. Okay, so now we have given our power to them. हमने आपको चुन दिया, अब आपके पास पार है कि आप आगे हमारे लिए और किसको चुनते हैं. Okay, so that day I was giving you the example of the election of the class leader in your class of Harsh and Sachit. So suppose the Sachit is selected as the class teacher of the class leader of the class. Okay, monitor, he is the monitor representative. Okay, now there is one more election, and that election is for to elect the cultural head of class 8. Suppose cultural head, and that authority is given to Mr. Sachit. कि Sachit will tell the name कि इस class से cultural head कौन होगा. Suppose Sachit has taken the name of Rishi. Suppose he has taken the name of Rishi. So Rishi will begin. So now become the cultural head of your class. So this is the indirect election. तुमने चुना सचित को था, सचित ने तुम्हारे लिए ऋषि को चुना. Okay, so this is the process of the election of the president also. Okay, the members of the both of the houses, higher and lower, means Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Okay, these all members used to elect the president of India. Next is the powers and functions of president. What are the powers and functions of president? Okay, number one is executive power. Okay, executive power of the president. Actually, president have the power to appoint the prime minister, and that prime minister should be the single leader largest party of Lok Sabha. लोक सभा में जब सबसे ज्यादा जिस पार्टी की सीट्स होती हैं, ठीक है, जैसे we can take the example of nowadays when there was an election last year. Okay, so the BJP won the lots of seats in Lok Sabha. Okay, now whoever be the Prime Minister of India will be elected from this party. Which party? Bharatiya Janata Party. Okay, so the officials of Bharatiya Janata Party gives the name कि हमारी तरफ से इनको प्रेसिडेंट बना दिए, प्राइम मिनिस्टर बना दिए, या इनको बना दिए, या इनको बना दिए. उनमें से who will be the prime minister, that will be chosen by the president. तो ये एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर हो गया कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर को भी लास्ट में जाकर के तुम्हारा प्रेसिडेंट जो है वो चूज करता है. एंड इवन यू वी ऑल नो दैट कि सम मेंबर्स ऑफ राज्यसभा एंड लोक सभा are directly appointed by the president, especially in Rajya Sabha. The members are appointed by the president. Okay, one thing more I am going to share you all. Tell me the name of an exam which is very, very, very important and having lots of importance in our Indian Constitution. An exam in which we the students can participate. एक बहुत ही high authority का exam होता है. Can you tell me the name of that exam? Classes, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Beta, please tell me the name of an exam which is having such authority and very, very important exam in India. If you want to go in an administrative field, what would you like to become? अगर तुम्हें एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में जाना है गवर्नमेंट के, तो तुम क्या बनना चाहोगे?
IAS.
Yes, that is the exam. Can you please tell me, any one of you can tell me who elects the IAS? सबसे लास्ट में सपोज पूरे 8th क्लास ने एग्जाम दिया है IAS का, ठीक है, और ये पूरे 8th क्लास ने रिटन भी निकाल लिया, इंटरव्यूज भी निकाल लिए. उसके बाद इस 8th क्लास के 12th के 12 बच्चों का नाम किस आएगा जो सेलेक्ट करेगा कि इसमें से IAS कौन बनेगा? ऑन द रिपोर्ट ऑफ मेंस दैट रिटन एंड इंटरव्यू. Who will select? President will select. समझ में आ रहा है? आईएएस को भी प्रेसिडेंट ही सेलेक्ट करता है. IAS is if you will saw any IAS in front of you, समझ जाओ इसको प्रेसिडेंट ने सेलेक्ट किया है. Okay, that's why IAS is such an important position in administrative part of government. Okay, अगर president can appoint, he can also remove the high dignitaries of the state. Okay, in this Attorney General, Comptroller, Auditor General of India, Governors of States, Ambassadors, members of the Finance Commission, Union Public Services Commission, Chief Election Commissioner और चीफ कमिश्नर्स ऑफ यूनियन टेरिटोरीज, इनको अगर अपॉइंट करता है आपका प्रेसिडेंट तो ही कैन रिमूव देम आल्सो. ओके, यू नो व्हाट आर एम्बेसडर्स? एम्बेसडर्स जानते हो? एम्बेसडर कार की बात में नहीं कर रही हूँ. एम्बेसडर्स आर ऑफिसर्स इन इंडियन गवर्नमेंट. तो कैन यू टेल मी कि वो होते क्या हैं? एनी वन ऑफ यू क्लास 8? यथार्थ, मृत्युंजय,
Ma'am, he's a high-ranking diplomat.
Yeah, they are high-ranking diplomat, but I just want to know one thing, that what are they in actual? What are they? मतलब वो हैं क्या actual में?
मैम जो यूएन में अलग-अलग नेशंस को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं.
Yes, very good, Yatharth. I want this answer from you. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
हम बोलते ना अफगानिस्तानी इंडियन एम्बेसी पर अफगानिस्तान में हमला हुआ, तो ये एम्बेसी होती है जहाँ पे इंडियन एम्बेसडर जाकर बैठता है. इंडिया ने अपने एम्बेसडर को चाइना से वापस बुला लिया, यानी अब इंडिया अपने आप को चाइना में रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करना चाहता. ओके, सो इनके भी एग्जाम्स होते हैं, IFN 200 में एग्जाम्स आते हैं. सो ये एग्जाम्स के बाद ये जो इनका सिलेक्शन होता है, इट इज डन बाय प्रेसिडेंट एंड ही कैन आल्सो रिमूव देम. ओके, एंड इवन जजेस ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड हाई कोर्ट्स आर आल्सो अपॉइंटेड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट. जजेस को भी प्रेसिडेंट ही अपॉइंट करता है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज मिलिट्री पावर. Okay, because I have not described each and every part in this slide because it will make very lengthy then. Okay, military power में president is the supreme commander of defense forces. मैंने बताया था तीनों defense forces का head होता है president of India. He can declare war और he can conclude peace. वो किसी के ऊपर भी जंग छेड़ सकता है और कहीं पर भी जंग वापस करके पीस ला सकता है. ओके, जितनी भी ट्रीटीज होती हैं डिफेंस की, दीज ऑल ट्रीटीज आर मेड अप बाय द प्रेसिडेंट. ओके, एंड प्रेसिडेंट आल्सो रिप्रेजेंट द इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंसेस. When there is an international conference anywhere in the world, the president is there to represent the military of the country. Okay, next is financial parts. Financial parts, the president summons the parliament and can dissolve the Lok Sabha. ये तो मैं पहले ही बता चुकी थी, जो लोक सभा को what you call in हिंदी भंग कर देते हैं, dissolve. We can dissolve the no bill can come to an act without the assent of the president. When president will sign on that bill will come. Bill का मतलब ये नहीं कि आप पिज्जा खाने गए और उसका बिल आ गया. That bill I'm not talking. Bill means the making of law, the removal of law of the Indian Constitution. Okay, the second thing, if the country is buying something very, very expensive for country, the government is buying something very, very expensive for the country.
Like for the defense forces.
Yes, for the defense also and for so many other things. So these all bill are signed by a president. Okay, president also appoint 2 members, Anglo-Indian community in Lok Sabha. Okay, and 12 member in Rajya Sabha. ये तो मैं बता ही चुकी हूँ. He can also issue ordinances when the parliament is not in session, वो order दे सकता है जब parliament का session, there are 3 parliaments ना, winter session, समर सेशन एंड बजट सेशन, 3 सेशन चलते हैं राज्यसभा और लोकसभा के, ठीक है। इन तीनों सेशन के अलावा इफ देयर इज एनी बिल विच इज वेरी वेरी नीडेड टू बी गेट पास, तो दैट बिल इज डायरेक्टली पास्ड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया। ओके, these are the legislative parts. Next is financial part. Financial part, the annual budget is presented in front of president, ठीक है। जो भी कंपनी पार्टी रूलिंग में है वो एनुअल बजट लेकर आकर प्रेसिडेंट के सामने रिप्रेजेंट करती है, ठीक है। बिल आर इंट्रोड्यूस इन द पार्लियामेंट विद द प्रेसिडेंट्स कंसेंट, और जो भी बिल आ रहा है और अगर उसको पार्लियामेंट में डिस्कस करना है तो फर्स्ट द मेंबर विल गो टू प्रेसिडेंट, दे विल डिस्कस दैट बिल विद प्रेसिडेंट, देन दे विल कम टू द पार्लियामेंट हाउस एंड डिस्कस इट। मतलब आपको कोई भी प्रेजेंटेशन देना है तो सबसे पहले आप वो प्रेजेंटेशन, सपोज देयर इज अ फंक्शन इन योर स्कूल, okay, and you are giving some presentation, so that presentation firstly you will give to your class teacher, okay, then that presentation will give in front of coordinator, then it will be give in front of principal, and last it will give in front of school, okay। So suppose school is Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha, okay, class teacher is president, and the members of parliament, those who are coming with a bill, they are the students. So first of all they will present the bill in front of president, then in front of whole school, that is Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. This is the method of working. The contingency fund is at the disposal of the president. He advance money in case of अनफॉरसीन एक्सपेंडिचर, मतलब कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आप बता नहीं सकते हैं कि हम यहाँ पे पैसा लगाएंगे तो हमको ये मिलेगा। Sometimes happen these types of situation where you can't see where expenditure is going on. So in that case, president will investigate the things and he can allow the money also. Next is the judicial part. The president has the power of grant pardon, okay, he can also remove the sentence of death. There are so many cases in India कि जहां पर हाई कोर्ट देन सुप्रीम कोर्ट में केस गया और वहां पे डेथ अनाउंस कर दिया गया, डेथ सेंटेंस दे दिया गया कि इसको फांसी लटका दी जाए, देन दैट पर्सन अगेन अपील इन फ्रंट ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट कि मुझे फांसी ना लगाई जाए। So even president can remove this death sentences also, the guilty sentence also, और pardon a death sentence, उसको हटा करके pardon भी कर सकते हैं कि नहीं भाई इसे फांसी ना दो, इसे उम्र कैद ही दे दो। Okay, next is he is not answerable to any court or law, okay, प्रेसिडेंट किसी भी कोर्ट और लॉ को आंसर नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज ही इज द हेड ऑफ ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, इवन ही इज द हेड ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट, इफ यू कैन से दैट, बिकॉज इफ वी आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद सुप्रीम कोर्ट वी कैन गो इन फ्रंट ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट, कि याचिका जिसे हिंदी में हम कहते हैं वो हमको प्रेसिडेंट के सामने देनी होती है। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज इमरजेंसी पार्ट्स. Emergency powers means when the security of the country is in some type of danger. Okay, so in that time the president can tell ki it is national emergency, we all have to get ready for the war. Okay, if administrative machinery of the state break down, administration पूरे तरीके से टूट जाए तो president लग जाता है. In news, you can hear that before this corona, in the month of February, I think, the different political parties were asking president to take the power on West Bengal. कि West Bengal में president पार लग जाए, government का पार ना रहे. Are you all getting me? तो हम कहते नहीं है कि नहीं यहाँ पे राष्ट्रपति शासन लग जाए, प्रेसिडेंट पार लग जाए, तो दिस इज प्रेसिडेंट्स रूल लग जाए. सो प्रेसिडेंट रूल agar administration is not working nicely, so the president can overtake all the things and the president will be there. He will be the head of the state of union territory. Okay. If there is a financial stability of the country, financially अगर country बहुत खराब होता जा रहा है, so that time president can announce the financial emergency also. Okay, so these are the emergency powers. Next is discretionary powers. In this, when no party wins, suppose एकदम बराबर इलेक्शन हुआ और दो पार्टीज थे, उसमें दो पार्टीज को बिल्कुल बराबर की सीट्स मिली, मतलब विनिंग वाला जो फिगर था, नो पार्टी वाज एबल टू अचीव दैट फिगर. ओके, सो प्राइम मिनिस्टर कैन अपॉइंट अ पर्सन on his own choice, those who are in the majority presented in the Lok Sabha. Okay, मेजोरिटी जिस पार्टी की लोकसभा में प्रेजेंट है उसके ही मेंबर को प्रेसिडेंट कैन अपॉइंट. ओके, सो दीज आर द पावर्स एंड फंक्शंस ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट. इज इट क्लियर नाउ? सो कैन आई मूव टू वाइस प्रेसिडेंट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so vice president is also elected indirectly by the members of electoral college consisting of members of both of houses. Okay, or representation by the means of single transferable vote, and the voting is by secret ballot conducted by election commission. वाइस प्रेसिडेंट का जो इलेक्शन है वो भी इलेक्शन कमीशन ही कराता है, और वो सीक्रेट बैलेट वाली जो कंडक्टेड होती है वोटिंग, वे दैट इज कंडक्टेड फॉर द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट. कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी द नेम ऑफ दिस पर्सन दैट इज ऑन योर स्क्रीन?
Venkaiah Raman Naidu.
Yes, he is our vice president. Okay, he is our vice president. Next is the power and functions of vice president of India. The vice president act as president in the absence of president due to death, resignation, impeachment, or other situation. If president of India is not available, okay, so the vice president will act as the president then.
President.
Okay, the vice president is of India is also ex officio chairperson of Rajya Sabha. When a bill is introduced in Rajya Sabha, the vice president decided whether it is a financial bill or not. ठीक है, अगर कोई financial bill आता है राज्य सभा में, तो वो vice president decide करता है कि this bill is financial or not. And he is also the ex officio chairperson of Rajya Sabha.
Of the country.
Who is the chairperson of Rajya Sabha?
President of India.
Yes.
Speaker.
Yes, he is speaker and the chairperson of Rajya Sabha. So, like ex-president, vice president, the ex-officio chairperson is the vice president also. Okay. Next is prime minister. The prime minister of sorry. Okay. Powers and functions of president of India. वो मैं एक slide कूद गई. Okay. No, we have covered this ना. कहाँ है, मैं बोलते बोलते थक गई हूँ. Now comes the prime minister. The prime minister of India is the leader of the executive of the government of India. Okay. The prime minister is the chief advisor of the president of India and the head of the Union Council of Ministers. So, 1 minute. Have we studied about the government? Okay. Actually, one slide is missing from here. The qualification of vice president. It is similar as president or vice president, whoever the person is going to be elected as president or vice president. He should be the citizen of India, not less than 35 years of age, and qualified for election as member of Lok Sabha. Member of Lok Sabha की ही qualification होनी चाहिए इनके पास. His or her term of office is about 5 years. Okay. Okay, Prime Minister. Very important post in India. The Prime Minister. Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra
PM
Damodar Das Modi.
Damodar Das Narendra Modi.
Yes, yes, yes. I know you all will give the answers like this. Good. Okay. The president is the nominal or constitutional head of the state. Okay. The prime minister is the head of the government, the ruling government. The prime minister is the pivot on which the whole constitutional machinery runs. जिसके कंधों पर पूरा का पूरा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रन करता है, that person is known as prime minister, and constitution is a country. Okay, next, Mr. PM Modi, qualification. He should be a citizen of India, should be a member of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. If a person elected prime minister is neither a member of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, then he must become a member of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha within 6 months. मान लीजिए कि a person who is elected as the prime minister Prime Minister of India. टर्म मतलब कितने टाइम के लिए बनते हैं. ओके, द टर्म ऑफ ऑफिस फॉर द प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंड द काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स is usually 5 years. The prime minister's term is just of 5 years. Okay, and even he has the categories of ministers like cabinet ministers, ministers of state, deputy ministers. Okay, cabinet minister are the inner core of council. जो पूरी काउंसिल बनती है, एक चेन बनती है मिनिस्टर्स की, उसके सबके अंदर सबसे अंदर की जो कोर होती है, लाइक द कोर ऑफ द अर्थ, ठीक है, दे आर कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स. They hold such an important portfolios in finance, railways, defense, home and foreign affairs. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, the Minister of States and Deputy Ministers do not attend cabinet meeting. कैबिनेट मीटिंग में सिर्फ कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स ही जाते हैं और कोई मिनिस्टर इसमें बिल्कुल भी एंटर नहीं करेगा. ओके. Election of prime minister is appointed by president and other ministers shall be appointed by the president. ठीक है, तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो है वो भी प्रेसिडेंट ही अपॉइंट करता है. नेक्स्ट आर द पावर एंड फंक्शंस ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. The Prime Minister chairs the meeting of the cabinet. He coordinates the work. So many meetings you can see during the COVID-19 time. When the Prime Minister was having the meeting, we can see on the channels, news channels, there the chairs are, so many chairs were there on a distance and so many people were sitting there. These people all are cabinet ministers. Okay, in case of any disagreement between two or more departments, the decision of the minister is final. Suppose defense में और finance department में किसी भी तरीके का disagreement हो जाता है, तो prime minister will be the final person who will say कि नहीं यही होगा. He will give his words कि this is the last decision and all of you have to follow this. The prime minister supervises the function of various ministers also. कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर, डिप्टी मिनिस्टर, स्टेट मिनिस्टर्स, इनके जितने भी फंक्शंस होते हैं वो सब जिम्मेदारी होती है प्राइम मिनिस्टर की. ओके, सो टाइम इज ओवर नाउ एंड tomorrow is a class. Yes, so we will start the chapter judiciary tomorrow. That not chapter, the topic. Okay, so please stay safe, stay at your home, and whenever you come to the class, please read the chapter and then come. Okay. Want to ask anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you have sent the PPT of this chapter.
I will send beta. No need to be panicked because from Monday your UT1 is going to be start. So get ready for that only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Goodbye. This chapter is not coming.
Thank you, ma'am.